Hi, this is Dee with Keep It Tight Sisters, and today we're talking about golden berries. Golden berries. Tiny berries. These are unique to Peru. They grow high in the Andes mountain and some of the neighboring areas that have those high mountain ranges also may have golden berries growing wild. However, these are cultivated and imported. They are usually in a very thin, papery thin type of membrane. And when you buy them in the store, they remove that membrane. And even though they've washed them thoroughly, these are very, very sticky. Golden berry has a well-deserved reputation for being what we call a superfruit. That means considering all of the nutrients, all of the health benefits that you can get in these with very few calories. Golden berries, a lot of scientific studies that have shown anti-inflammatory properties, diabetes management, and also antioxidant or cancer fighting. And I will drop a little bit more information on the video about golden berries, but obviously high in vitamin C, high in vitamin A, a lot of trace minerals. And let me see, this is a 8-ounce pack that I purchased at Whole Foods for $3.99. And I'm telling you, these summer fruits go really, really quickly. There were 5 packs on the shelves. I bought 3. I'm a very good person. Didn't take all 5, left them for someone else. But I picked up 3 of these, and a nice, sweet, tangy taste. Little tiny seeds that you can hardly notice, and you wash them. I like to refrigerate them and just pop them in. Sweet and tangy, very, very addictive. Licking your finger from the sticky goodness. Excellent for making local drinks, jams, jellies, and probably a very delicious marmalade. Okay, golden berries. Pick up some before they're all gone. Again, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video. Have a good one.